Today we learn negative modal verbs, cannot, must not, should not, and need not. These special helping verbs show when something is not allowed, not possible, or not needed. Each one has a different meaning for beginners. The four main negative modals are cannot, must not, should not, and need not. Cannot shows impossibility, must not shows prohibition, should not gives advice against something, need not shows no necessity. All negative modals add not after the modal verb. Can plus not becomes cannot or can apostrophe t, must plus not becomes must not or must apostrophe and t, should plus not becomes should not or should apostrophe and t, need plus not becomes need not or need apostrophe and t. Cannot means inability or impossibility. Use cannot when someone cannot do something or when something cannot happen. Cannot is the most common negative modal for beginners to learn first. I cannot swim means I do not have the ability to swim. She cannot come to the party means it is impossible for her to attend. They cannot be at home now means it is impossible they are home right now. Must not means strong prohibition or rules. Use must not when something is forbidden by law, rules, or authority. Must not shows something you are not allowed to do under any circumstances. You must not smoke here means smoking is forbidden in this place. We must not be late for class means arriving late breaks the rules. Children must not play with fire means it is dangerous and not allowed. Should not gives advice against something. Use should not to recommend not doing something. Should not expresses what is not a good idea even if not strictly forbidden. You should not eat so late means eating late is not healthy. We should not tell anyone, yet means it is better to keep it secret now. She should not drive so fast means it is dangerous and not wise. Need not means no necessity or obligation. Use need not when something is not required. Need not shows you do not have to do something. It is optional, not forbidden.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.